Should you ever have the need to replace the grip on your Peacekeeper Rapid Containment Baton, this is the process that you'll go through. First step in removing your old grip is to slide the plastic grip ring up towards the nose of the baton, out from underneath your old grip. Go ahead and remove your grip ring, put it off to the side. Now we're going to lay your baton down on its side, and using a knife we're going to cut along the seam here of the grip, and we're going to remove the grip from the baton. Just go ahead and remove your grip as follows. Discard your old grip. You're now going to clean your baton with some alcohol, being sure to clean free any debris that may have accumulated on your baton, and attempt to remove as much of the adhesive that you may see on the handle tube of your baton. Once you've removed your old grip and you've already done your surface cleaning, now we're going to place the new grip onto our baton. The first step in placing your grip on your baton is to just place a small amount of WD-40 just on the tip of one of your index fingers. Take that WD-40 and you're going to want to run it on the inside of the perimeter of your new grip. This is going to assist you when it comes to sliding this grip onto the handle tube of your baton. Go ahead and stand your baton up on a hard surface. Now you're going to take that edge that you place that WD-40 over the top of your extended end cap. Now push the baton grip in place, going all the way down, making sure that the grip seats at the base of the baton. Right there as such. Now we're going to prepare to put our grip ring in place. Prior to putting the grip ring in place, we're going to be placing 3 drops of super glue at 3 different points on our baton just underneath our new grip. Once those are in place, we don't want to waste any time by sliding our grip ring in place. We don't want that glue to dry before we get this on there. One thing you can do to assist yourself in getting the glue underneath the grip is to slightly pinch up on the grip right here. It'll create a little pocket. Just put 1 drop is all you're going to need in 3 different locations. Just roll the baton, pinch the grip, place the glue. Just use a small amount of glue as you don't want any excess coming through. Without wasting any time, go ahead and place your new grip ring. Make sure that it seats completely underneath your new grip. Wipe off any excess. Give your grip sufficient amount of time to dry before you place it back into service.